Welcome to JH. Today, we are looking at Veenora clip-on veneers, the product you have likely encountered all over your social media feeds lately. These are marketed as convenient, removable dental covers made from a specific thermoplastic material. To use them, you simply heat the material, mold it to your shape, and then snap it over your existing teeth. The main appeal is the claim that they can hide gaps, stains, and even missing teeth, providing a complete smile makeover without ever needing to visit a dentist's office. While this sounds like an incredible shortcut, there are several important details you should be aware of before making a purchase. To start, the company promises a flawless fit, but it is important to remember that this is not a custom-made medical device. It is essentially a one-size-fits-all product. If you are dealing with crooked teeth or more complex dental issues, these veneers are not designed to correct those problems. Additionally, while the ads suggest a natural appearance, thermoplastic often looks quite bulky and can appear fake in person. If the initial molding process is not executed perfectly, you might find the veneers uncomfortable to wear, and they could even interfere with your speech, causing some users to develop a lisp. There is also the matter of how long they actually last. While they are advertised to remain functional for 6 to 12 months, regular daily use can cause them to warp, change color, or break down much sooner than expected. Your diet will also be restricted. You can only consume soft foods and lukewarm drinks, as anything hot or hard could cause immediate damage. When looking at customer feedback, there isn't much reliable information available. Trustpilot features only a few reviews, including some vague positive comments and others calling the product a scam. One customer reported that the veneers were the wrong size and looked nothing like the advertisements. Furthermore, similar products are available on sites like Alibaba for a fraction of the cost, suggesting this is a dropshipping operation with a high markup. While not exactly a scam, it is certainly a budget product sold at a premium price.